they can't handle it. Oh, damn. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate that. In the light, it kind of looked bigger. Just, oh no! Don't quote that! Oh man, that sounded so bad. I got cut a little bit. I got cut right here and then right there. It's fine though. Thank you, Matt. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I am going to whack you down so hard. Are you ready, guys? I've been waiting for this. Yes! We love it! We stan it! Get the fuck down! Nailed it. 10 out of 10. Would take 3 hours to do again! No. Ah! It's weird. Okay, I gotta whack you. I hate myself for that. Ho!
This isn't where
What's that actually? It's a ladybug. It's a sleepy ladybug. I love ladybug. I will never hurt you. Ah! God! What the fuck? No, I'm not. Shut up. Ah! I would eat so much shit, guys. I would eat so much fucking shit if I could, but I can't, so I won't. It's fine. But so something.